You're watching the Weiss channel. All right, today I'm going to talk to you about angles formed by chords, tangents, and secants. What? Well, here. First of all, here's a circle, and inside the circle there are two chords. That orange segment is called a chord. The purple segment is called a chord. Any segment that goes from one end of the circle to another end is called a chord. It does not have to go through the center to be a chord. Okay. Now, please notice that angles C and D are going to be congruent. They're going to be equal, right? Why? Because of vertical angles, right? Vertical angles are equal. Okay. So, how do you find angle C? How do you find angle C? Or angle D? Okay. You do that hold on a second. You find the measure of angle C. Okay. Measure of angle C by taking arc A plus arc B, add them together, hit equals, then divide by 2. So arc A plus arc B, add them together, hit equals, and divide by 2. That'll give you your answer. Over here, arc TN is 188, arc VD is 92. Find angle VZD. That's this angle here, right? Okay, so I'm going to take 188 plus 92, add them together, hit equals. That gives me 280. I divide that by 2 and I get 140. Now note, what if you were asked what this angle is here? If you were asked this angle, that would be TZD, right? If this guy is 140, wouldn't this one be 40? Because these are two angles that add up to 180, right? Those are supplementary angles, right? Or a linear pair, right? So measure of angle TZD equals 40 if you're ever asked that, right? Wouldn't this one also be 40, right? If you were asked for NZV, right? Okay. All right. These blue segments are called secants. Yes, secant. No, secant. Anyway, secants go through the circle. Okay. So how would I find the measure of angle X, or X degrees? All I would do is take arc A minus arc B, hit equals, and divide by 2. A minus B divided by 2. That would be X degrees. X degrees equals A minus B divided by 2. So here, if arc AL is 34 degrees and arc WE is 98 degrees, find the measure of angle G. Okay, I'm going to take 98 minus 34, hit equals, and divide by 2. 98 minus 34 is 64. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Easy. Okay. And what if you have a secant that intersects a tangent? Tangent just touches the circle at the outside. Okay. So what's the measure of X degrees here? All you have to do to find X degrees is take arc A, and divide by 2. Okay? So over here, MS is tangent to circle O at point M, and MQ is a secant line, all right? If arc MQ is 150, MQ, that's 150, what's the measure of angle QMS? QMS, that's this angle here. So like this would be my X right here, right? All you have to do is take 150 and divide by 2, 75. Let me ask you this question though, something you should consider. What if I wasn't given that arc right there, but I was given that this arc here is 210 degrees? If that arc is 210 degrees, how would I find X? Well, the circle all the way around is 360 degrees, right? So if I take 360 and I subtract 210, don't I get 150? Making this now 150. And all I have to do, of course, is take 150 divided by 2 to get 75. And that's how it works. You've been watching the Weiss channel.